Hey, what's up everybody? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can go and create a order form or a payment page, you can say, in Systeme.io. So let's just jump right in. If you're new and don't have an account on Systeme.io, I will give a link in description as well. Just go to the official website and click on get free account, and that's it. Put up your email and you're good to go. Now to create a order form or payment page, you will need to have a sales funnel first, then we can go and create this. Now go to the sales funnel where you would like to add your payment page. Now select order form from your plus create option in the sales funnel tab. Here select one of these existing templates and click on select, and you will be redirected to order form interface page. Now here it will show you some settings such as automation rules and an editor to modify your page. There click on edit page button to modify your page. You can configure and select the offer type. You can select a digital product or a physical product. And if you're choosing a digital product, you will have to add a resource to your page. For that, you can go for add a course bundle, add a tag, or you can add access to a community. And that's it for today. I hope you liked the video. I hope the video was useful for you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video. See you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.